And the easiest way to get along with somebody is to go into agreement and then tell them why you agree with them. What's a question, an objection, something we hear every single day? What's something we may hear?
Price is too high.
You know what? I agree with you. The prices on everything are too high these days. And you're doing the right thing calling first to get the pricing before you come down. Whew. The objection just goes away. You ever get in an argument with your significant other? You can end the argument pretty quick with 2 words. You're right. And if you even want to get more, you're right because you're so smart, you're so great, you're so awesome. Get in the habit of just telling people that they're right. You're talking to your boss, say, you know what, you're right. I hear you. I'm with you. I agree with you. You're right. The more money somebody has, the easier they are to get them to do what you want. How do you control a billionaire? You just tell them what? What do you tell them?
You're right.
Whatever you want, sir. You're right. I agree with you 100%. And they just do what you want anyways. The way to really, really get this to the next level is to tell them why you agree with them. I agree with you because, and then tell people the reason you agree and watch the objection just fade away. Now, when you're doing this, you want to avoid kind of a nasty word, and that word is but, okay? Let's say Dana calls you to her office. You're like, what the heck am I going up here for? I've never been there before. You got anxiety? And she sits you down and goes, you know what? You're a great employee because something good's probably going to happen. If she goes, you're a great employee, but what comes after a but usually? So just try and avoid the word but. I agree with you because. Now, if somebody said the price of the car is too high, what's a real reason you could agree with them? I agree with you because?
Everything's high.
Everything's high right now. Yeah, it's crazy out there. I take a look at milk and I'm like, whoa. And people just